Hi there. So I have a slight quandary with this clock in the respect that it's been serviced, the movement's been fully cleaned and everything's tested on it, running happily. So it's now got to go back to its owner. But the issue is, it will stop now because it tilts because of the weight of the, there we go. But the issue is, if I take the pendulum, I need to take the pendulum off for the transportation, and it's nice and easy at the moment because I can, he says, not doing it with one hand. There we go. I can remove the pendulum and put it back on. So the pendulum hooks on right at the top of the movement at the back, and then it sits in a crutch which does the movement. Easy enough to put on and take off at the moment, but once I put the dial on the clock, if you can think, it's going to be a lot more difficult to get the pendulum on and off. So do I leave the dial off for transport and then the owner will have to put the hands back on and put the dial on? The dial is attached to the movement by these three stanchions which go through these holes here and are then screwed in place with these pins. So it's not difficult to put the dial on, but you have to take the hands off, and again you have to remove a pin from the centre so that you can take the hands off and then remember what time it is when you did this to put the hands back on. The question is, do you go with the dial, send it with the dial off, or do you send it with the dial on?